Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers. Right, I've got another box, another brown box. Yeah guys, a company called Geya reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to review one of their products? Yeah guys, one of their watch products. I said, sure. Which one? They said, would you like to review this one? I said, of course, send it over. And here it is guys. And because I need to relax now after all those high octane videos that I'll put a link in the description guys for you to watch. All those high octane videos from the Ace Caf. Yeah guys, I need to calm down now and get some zen in me. Yeah guys. So the company called Geya, they reached out and now it's time to get this unboxed and let you guys see what's in there. And we'll just do it at a calm, slow, relaxed pace to, you know, as I said, get some chi into us. Yeah, guys. Okay, so let's go. This is from the Geya Rainbow Zircon series, and it's from, as you can see there guys, their Great Wall of China model. Yeah, wonderful. There's Geya there, the Great Wall. And now let's get it out the box. And as you can see guys, this is a chunky box. There's no doubt about that. This is a chunky unboxing. And let's get it out of this, which is the sleeve. Don't want to rip the sleeve. I'm trying to keep it in nice condition. And there you go guys. There's the Geya box, which is a black box. And then they've got a lovely red tab there. Chinese style, as they say. You know, Chinese, they love a red. So, yep. Because the company, they are based in China. Yeah guys, and look at that. What a lovely presentation. Look at that guys. Wow, absolutely wonderful, I must say. What do you reckon of that unboxing? The presentation is top notch, I must say. And as you can see there guys, there's something there which absolutely wonderful, and it's proper metal guys, not plastic. That is metal. Yeah guys, and you know what it is? I've done a little bit of research beforehand. It's a wine cup. Yeah guys, back in the day, I'm telling you. Any of you people now out there, leave it down in the comments, yeah guys, for those who want to know what this is. I know it's a wine cup, there's no doubt about that. Yeah guys, you can drink from this, or they used to back in the day, as they say, the Quinn days. But if anybody knows anything more specific than that, please leave it in the comments. But that came in the box. Wonderful. That's some real lovely chi there guys, I'm getting from this, I'm telling you. No doubt about that. Calming. So we'll put that there. That's lovely. Nice touch. And then what comes in here? An extra strap, an extra rubber strap. There we go. With Geya on the tab there, on the buckle. There it is there guys. Let's put that over there. And now let's get this little bit out there, and there it is. There it is guys, in all its glory. The Geya Rainbow Zircon. Oh boy, moments for life. Yeah guys, so that's what comes in it there. Let's get this out first. Bit of paperwork. Moments for life by Geya, 2-year international warranty. What's on the back? Nothing, but hey, retailer obviously stamp, etc. If you bought it from a shop, a proper retailer. This was sent to me by Geya direct, so obviously there's nothing on it, but you would have got something on that. And what's this? Some paperwork. watches are a piece of art. Here you are, guys, let me put that there for you. There's the profile of the company. I'll stick that up for you there, guys. Read that at your leisure. Pause, 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 as I always say. Pause the video and read it at your leisure. That's it. That's your homework done. Right. Okay, now let's get into the watch itself. Wow. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. A lovely, soft watch holder there. Comes with a tab. Comes with a tab, a gear tab there. And yeah, all sealed up with plastic wrapping. As you can see there, guys, I'm going to take that off, but it is absolutely wonderful. There's some weight to it, guys. I must say it's not a very light watch, although not heavy as well. It's not heavy, but it's not a light watch. It doesn't feel cheap, if you know what I'm trying to say. Let me get this wrapping off to stop it getting scratched up, etc. And hopefully I can get it off nicely in the camera. Oh wow, it looks even better now. And now that I've taken that off, let's get that off. Wow, oh, that's lovely. Look at that, guys. What do you reckon of that? And as you saw, it's the Great Wall of China. Yeah, guys, as you can see, hopefully in the center, there's the Great Wall that spirals down there and it goes up here and it winds up to the top. So it comes from the 7 o'clock, say between the 7 and 6, and winds up. Wonderfully done, I must say. If you want to find out more about the specs, the actual mechanism being used inside, I'll leave all those links in the description for you by someone who knows, because I don't know. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to get too technical on you, but as you can see, a wonderful kind of etching on the back there on the glass. So this is a see-through case, guys. I'm telling you, where are you going to get a see-through case of this quality? I'm telling you. Yeah, guys, it's water resistant to 50 meters. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that'll do the job if you want to go swimming with it. And I've got my scales here. Let's find out how much it weighs. I did say it's got a bit of heft to it. Let's find out exactly. And as you can see there, guys, 109 grams, give or take. Yeah, guys, as you can see there, guys, the zircons there are very, very clear, very, very crisp. There's no doubt about that. Wow, beautiful looking watch. This is a real hip hop one here, I'm telling you. There's no doubt about that, guys. You got to be wearing some serious garms here to be rocking this, I'm telling you, guys. For those of you who are into watches, which one does it look like? I'm telling you, I'll say what I think it looks like. Yeah, it looks like a Richard Mille watch. Yeah, guys, that's my French for you. In English, Richard Mille. Yeah, guys, Richard Mille watches that go for, hey, I don't know, over 100 odd grand in whatever currency you're dealing with, guys. Yeah, guys, very, very expensive watches they are. But this kind of looks like one, I'm telling you. It looks expensive and it feels expensive. There's no doubt about that, with that lovely Great Wall of China in the center there. So what I'm going to do now, let's see if it's got a hacking mechanism. Right, there's no screw off, guys. You just pull the crown out and that's it. It doesn't stop, so there's no hacking. But then I'm just going to set the time. Let's set it now to, with my 4 o'clock. Here it is, guys, and you just push it back. That's it, nothing else, no screwing. You can wind it up by just giving it a few turns. Don't overturn it, guys. You don't want to overturn when you're winding a watch. Just give it a few spins just to get it going, and it will go on its own. Yeah, guys, but as you can see, look at those zircons, guys. Absolutely wonderful, shimmering away. And on the side here, it's got Max written there, G Max, yeah guys. And yeah, let's get you a shot of those zircons before I put it on my wrist, because hey, it's all well and good looking at the watch, but you want to see how it looks on my wrist. I love that red ring around the crown which matches the strap. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. I do like that, I must say. That red ring that matches the watch strap, yeah, absolutely wonderful. And there's the black one. So if I did change it, let's see how easy it is to change, to be quite honest with you. Oh right, it's very easy to change, guys. Let me just change one strap there. Have a look at that, guys. All you got to do is press that and it pops out. That easy. And let's pop this other one in. So down here, that's it, I found it. And you just slot that in, and that's it, guys. That's the strap in. So that's how it would look with a black strap. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous with any strap, to be quite honest with you, because the black strap absolutely matches the red as well, that red ring around the crown there. Absolutely wonderful. And then obviously you got your red there, and it looks quite nice as a multi-coloured strap as well, guys. There you are. You got the red one at the top and the black one at the bottom. Hey, different. It looks different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. Yeah, guys, the Huawei GT6. Get that off. Wonderful watch this is as well. Beautiful band. I love the band. Check that out, guys. Very, very nice. Battery life is amazing, but hey, I'm not going off the point. Let me get back to this. I'm going to get that watch off and get this one on. Ooh, look at that, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, man. That is a big boy watch. That's a Richard Mille watch all the way, I'm telling you. Oh man, that's really, really nice. I'm telling you, guys, look at those zircons glimmering away. High quality zircons there, I'm telling you. Very, very reflective. What do you reckon, guys? You like it? Yep. Got to get yourself out there, guys. Get yourself out there. Get yourself looking cool. Summer's on its way. The weather is warming up, guys. The weather is warming up. Yep. Put your baseball hat on, lovely top on, pair of shorts, nice pair of trainers, and you're on the go. I'm telling you. What do you reckon, guys? And for those of you who wish to tone it down a bit, yeah, just a bit, obviously, because I tell you something, you ain't toning down this. I'm telling you, look at that. There's no toning down of that. No way, Jose. But if you want to tone it down just a touch, you can put the black strap on. So have a look at that, guys, the black strap, and it's well made. The quality of the rubber is very, very good. This one feels very, very supple, not hard, and I love the fact that it's got that little catch down here, as you can see down here, that stops this tab here moving. So it keeps it there locked in, and then you can adjust the length here and make sure you don't have this flapping around at the back here. So yep, the strap, oh look, it's even got air vents here, guys. Look at that. Very, very thoughtful, because you know what strap, especially rubber ones, they can get a bit moist, yeah guys. And but Geya, the design of this watch strap is really, really nice, I must say. So guys, that's the Geya Rainbow Zircon series watch G78138. What do you reckon? Wonderful, wonderful watch, isn't it? Absolutely looks gorgeous. And compared to a Richard Mille, how much do you reckon this costs, guys? Yep, not over 100k in whatever currency you're in. Yeah guys, if you get down in the description now, this watch is currently on sale. Yeah guys, 25% off. Get yourself down there if you want one of these and rock it in the summertime when you're with your shorts on and your trainers, your bad boy look, as they say. Yeah guys, it's a wonderful piece, and I'll be rocking this, and I'll tell you something, I'm gonna get a few looks, there's no doubt about that, because this is a puller. People are gonna see this on your wrist and say, what's that? So get prepared guys, get prepared for people coming up to you and asking you, what have you got on your wrist? Yeah guys, and you can just tell them, hey, I've got the Great Wall of China on my wrist, that's what I've got. So guys, that's the end of the review. What do you reckon of that guys? What a wonderful looking timepiece, no doubt about that. And if you want one, get yourself down in the description. Yep, get yourself down in the description and all the links will be there. Yeah guys, and get it now while it's on sale. Yep, that's what you want. You want everything on sale guys, so you save yourself a few pennies and get prepared for the summer to be rocking this hard. And as I said earlier, don't forget guys, any of you that know anything about that wine cup and the history of it, please leave it down in the comments. Yeah guys, so until my next review, I will catch you guys later.